BtoG demo video. In this video, we will give a small demo on BtoG, that is Busy to Google add-on. Busy to Google add-on is a very useful add-on to sync your busy reports on the Google Drive. By syncing data on the Google Drive, you can stay updated all the time with the latest data. For example, you are on the client side and you want to know the current stock status or the current outstanding with the party, then you can easily access your Google Drive and see the latest data. Now for this we are going to Busy and we are opening the BtoG add-on. You can see on the screen there are 4 steps in this. First is registration, then is other configuration, company configuration and Google Sync configuration. We will discuss all these steps one by one. This is just one-time configuration. You need to configure only once and then BtoG will sync your data on Google Drive as and when you have specified. So first we are going to the registration part. There's nothing in this part. It's showing your registration details. You just need to check the details and click the register button. Next is the other configuration. In the other configuration, basically we'll specify configuration related to the Google Drive. Here first of all we are required to click the Google authentication button, and then if you are logged in then select your account, and if you are not logged in then sign into your account whose Google Drive you want to use. That is the account you will select here and specify password. Google Drive of this particular account will be used to sync data. Now the security check screen is coming. Click the continue button and it's showing that authentication access is granted. This means the mail ID you have specified, its Google Drive, is now you can use to sync data from BtoG. Coming back to BtoG, next you need to specify the folder name. That is, you can create separate folders on the Google Drive for keeping your data. For example, you can create different folders for material center wise reports or for outstanding reports. So you can create different folders. Specify the folder name and click the create folder button. Folder ID you do not need to specify, it will appear automatically. Next is service status button. Using this button you can start or stop the services for the company. Now we are coming to the company configuration. In the company configuration you need to select the companies whose data you want to sync on the Google Drive. Select the companies, then specify the super username, password and the financial year and click on the save button. Now the companies for which you have enabled this feature, for those companies the data will be synced on the Google Drive. Next is Google Sync configuration. On clicking this button you can see it's showing various reports that we have configured already. These reports will be synced on Google Drive. Now we'll add some more report. Here we are selecting the stock status consolidated report. Here a window is appearing in which first of all you need to specify the time interval. The time interval you will specify here will be in minutes. For example, we have specified 15 here. This means that after every 15 minutes, this report will be synced on Google Drive. Then you need to specify you want to sync data of all the items, a particular item or for the item group, and then is the date range. Here you will enable the till date option and specify the date up to which data is to be synced. If you want to sync data continuously till the end of the financial year, then you can specify the financial year ending date. For example, we have specified the 31st March 2024. So till 31st March 2024, after every 15 minutes, this report will be synced on Google Drive. Next, if you want to sync this report in the particular Excel file that is created already, then you can copy the sheet ID. Then this report will be synced in the Excel sheet in which all the first reports are synced. But if you want to create a new Excel file, then you need to click the create sheet button and specify the sheet name here. Now this sheet will be created in a separate Excel file or Excel workbook. Here sheet ID and spreadsheet ID you are not required to enter. These will be entered automatically. Click OK button. Now we are again opening the Google Sync configuration and you can see that sheet ID and spreadsheet ID for the report we have selected are appearing automatically. So this is the configuration part. We are done with the configuration part. Now we will see that how this will appear on the Google Drive. So we are opening our mail ID that we have specified. We are going to its Google Drive and you can see here a folder with the name reports is appearing along with the time. This particular folder we have created using the BtoG add-on. An Excel sheet is appearing. This sheet is blank because we have not yet synced any data. Here by default sheet 1 will remain blank. The data will be synced from sheet 2 onwards. Here, if you do not want sheet names to be like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, then you can rename them also. Like we have renamed sheet 2 to consolidated MC report. But please make sure the sheet name that you specify here, the same name you need to specify in the Google Sync configuration sheet name field. We have specified the name as consolidated MC report. So we are specifying the sheet name here as consolidated MC report. So you can change the sheet name also as per your requirement. Click OK button to save this configuration. This is a very powerful and useful add-on. With this add-on, you can automatically sync your busy reports on Google Drive. Hope after going through this video, you would be able to easily use the BtoG add-on. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.